Okay, so I'm curious. When you are bored, what do you reach for? What do you do? Do you find something to do? Do you find some food to eat? I have to say, first of all, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Anna Olson, and I had gastric bypass surgery in 2017. Today, I want to talk about my relationship with food. I'm pretty sure that I'm not the only one in this. My relationship with food is what caused me to get to the point of having gastric bypass surgery, and it has been an issue in my life for many, many years. It is not as much an issue anymore today as it was. So today, the question is, when you're bored, what do you do? Do you find something to do, or do you go looking for food to comfort yourself? Think about that